Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your RedotPay card if it is not linking to Google Pay. So first of all, you need to make sure that your RedotPay virtual or the physical card, whichever you want to link with it, is active. So you can come inside your RedotPay app, then tap on the option of cards. Over here you can see whether your RedotPay virtual card or the physical card is active, and the KYC is also verified, because the inactive or unverified accounts won't be able to link their cards to the Google Pay. After doing this, the second thing that you need to check is that the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV and the billing address are also entered correctly as they appear in the RedotPay application. You can tap on the view option and you can view all of these details. Even a small mismatch can cause the linking process to fail, so make sure that these details are also correct. Now, if your card was recently issued or activated, I recommend you to wait before you try again, because as per RedotPay, it can take up to 2 days, and in some cases it can take up to 3 to 5 business days for a new card to become available on Google Pay. So you need to simply just wait for these few days. After all, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of both the RedotPay application and the Google Pay. So you can come here on Google Play Store and you can just simply look for Google Pay. If you see any of the update option, simply tap on that and update your application to the latest version. Then you can try again later. Now, if your card still won't link after doing all of these things, then you need to simply come inside your RedotPay app. Then tap on this headphone icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to simply contact to the RedotPay customer support team. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.